Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
And put the 9 to 5 money together to you and do something. Do something and say, Fambo, do this and win. Do something and say, Fambo, do this and win, Donovan. Because Donovan can't bring house argument to me because I build that for my mother. You can't bring land argument for me because before me build house, me buy blood clot land for me mama. But suck your mother, Donovan, you know in no category. Yes, sir, me in no category, me love. Because me always a blood clot work for my own. No care how small it is, me always a work and a juggle for my own. Pussy hole. And who a travel a lot too. Talk no Shaquille. You know what blood clot hurt me? You know what hurt me the most? Donovan is not even a threat to blood clot me. Friend, me soon show you the vibe. Donovan is not even a threat to me. I hate people who like to do things but don't like when people do bad things to them. Everything I done for this person, I done it genuinely. For my heart, I do it. I never have to send a money to Jamaica for buying out or anything or whatever. We just meet on a mutual level and thing. Mutual level. And you know what? I'm say alright then, me go do. But the level of deceitfulness, the level of being so put up this this defensive mechanism when they come on to anything, I'm tired of it. And that's why I'm saying, you know what? I don't want to be a part of this any blood clot more. Donovan, you get your wish. But I'm tell you, laugh last and not the best laugh. And remember, me, Fambo, promises me gonna lick bad man out of you because you look a bit of your bad man and your eye blood clot red. And remember, I will always be the person who may be. And you gonna always be this sad, lonely, batty man where you go travel from place to place. You go travel from place to place, you go send for boy, you go buy fuck, you go do the most, and you're still going to be unhappy. You're still going to be unhappy. Family, them say you know him a cheat a long time. Go stand strong and hold your guns. Yeah. On a fake page, you know that's a low life as blood clot Donovan himself. Yeah, same thing I say. Since Donovan I go help you then go on to Donovan then. Since Donovan is your blood clot advisor and Donovan is your blood clot motivator, then do your best then with blood clot Donovan. But try blood clot now, say. Every dollar that me blood clot spend, me calculate that I'm a blood clot gear that I either way you fuck up blood clot that and you go. Yep. Some things don't put up with. I true me now want to talk certain things on the live, yeah? But you see when my cup full, my cup is just full. And thing. I don't like ungrateful people. People wanna appreciative of nothing that nobody do for them. And it's been a lot I'm going through since lately. Some things I hold to myself like a G and tough it out. Some things I reason my mother about and she say, you know what, you have to tough it out. One thing I go and hear my mother saying, you see the way or you spread the bed, you have to lay on it. So me is the type of person, I don't really like run to people with my business or whatever. Whether I know say if I spread my bed so, I lay on it, I take my time, come out of it. How the fuck me for block somebody from your phone? And me tell you on the grounds that me don't want you associate yourself with this person because this person is not of good intention, but you go back on my blood clot back and you could have unblocked the person. You could have tell me, oh, the person is not my enemy, the person me my good. Like, did I tell you that I have a blood clot enemy? But yes, still every time I conversate in a delete blood clot message. That's why big pussy Donovan could have come and go like say, you sure man, you post my your blood clot story. Donovan, even if I want to suck 100 wood, at the end of the day, the whole way of Batman, gay people, LGBTQ people, so that should have a problem to do with you. Cause I never tell no pussy was I'm straight. And the things them where you blood clot do, me would do that. Me would walk in a your footstep, no day, no time. I went to my yard them close, pussy hole, Donovan. I would walk in a your footstep them, no day, no time. So where you expect now, you can bring me down with a text message when not even factual, but suck with me telling somebody say me suck with, me want suck them with or whatever. Donovan, the way I love batty hole, I love. All if you bring your batty hole, Donovan, me da bleach your blood clot down and jersey out and maybe eat and maybe eat your batty hole. Yeah. Racha, plain, straight. Un hard, dirty. Un hard, corrupt. I'm not lying none of you. And anyone I see me in a war, me I tell you. You might just hear me attack, you never see me in action. Put soul. Go in a cyberspace on YouTube and go Google my video them. Where you come and give relationship blood clot advice. Your advisor, your counselor, and I get address a Boston. Yeah, I put on my foot to be honest. What I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna be delusional like some of them boy and tell myself say me not somebody there with somebody where my love. Tell myself say me I live the perfect best relationship. This that I'm not gonna do it. I rather call it blood clot off and move on. Because I been there and blood clot done that. I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. So when that baby duppy there with the over Boston, feel like same can come and style me, pussy wall, me I make you know say I will lick you till you dazzle. I'm gonna ask you that, I tell me I tell you that. I'm gonna pay and give you blood clot change. Don't feel like say I don't know you careless blood clot friend them where you and them both playing and go play so together, go suck wood, go lick out body and thing. Don't go like you can come size up in my thing. I mean I go tell you again, I mean I go tell you and constantly tell you and tell you because I am that boy. Anything I say me I do, if I not do it, I not say it. I mean that. I'm not afraid of nothing when you pow pow. Because I know the consequence and I know the action will come after. Do. Pussy wall, if I can't hold you fire, I will pay for kill you. Big, bad and brave. No filter for my words. You come and talk about me, oh, me that look you. Pussy, what me I look you for do with you? What me I look you for do with you? Donovan, you have blood class, somebody your class, you have things. Look you for do what? If you chop the client them, I'm going to pick up the scamming money them for you. And that, look you, I must look you for do that. For be first one up for you, for collect your scamming money them. Batty boy. Donovan, you're in a class over here, so you're in a league. You can't compete with me. No day, no time. They are just come here and never see come see. And as I'm going to say, I'm going to say again, I'm not fight for no blood clot body when I fight for me. Straightforward. Big and bold. I'd rather call a spade a spade. Donovan, me talking it. I say the way I'm dark from morning, me I tell you, this is the soul, not me. Cause anytime, I not even want in no chattings. I not even want in no chattings with local boy. The way I'm dark. Cause you see when time me dark, you see when I'm dark, I just feel like I just take up things and just start move from left to right, swing it. Me not chatting the way I just like, I can't believe say, me and in our house together, and regardless of what, no care if we might even meet and whatever and thing. You know how Batman stay, cause you go through experience in the past with Batman. How the fuck you go to one low life drunk, one, me not even know one scumbag like Donovan of all blood clot person. The same Donovan where they do want me blood clot fuck him. Donovan, you talk about me, they do want fuck you. Are you they do want blood clot fuck me the amount of time me turn it down, brother? You know, yeah, a little bit hard and bad mind and corrupt, and that's why when time America done, we still not achieve nothing more than sadness. When life got constantly repeat itself. Donovan of a blood clot person. Like I said, Donovan can help you. Donovan would do with me blood clot though.
Strona, good night. How you go?
Donovan would do what me do. But they are shocky what go on.
But Strona, listen to me. You see that look a child to that child are wrong because from you block the person, you should go unblock the person and delete message. That's not right neither too. The child should do it as well to Strona, but at the end of the way, Donovan out because they're not supposed to come in a relationship and not give them a blood clot advice. And worse, in that fret with the blood clot child.
What me tell you? You see when time me say so Obama him unblock the Donovan, I'm
Mm-hmm.
Donovan unblock.
Mm-hmm.
Me say, I ask him, I say, what kind of defense you put up with this Donovan? Donovan a who to you? Donovan a what to you? Who's Donovan?
Exactly.
Donovan important, so important in
Mm-hmm.
our relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Him say Donovan, I'm friend or whatever and thing. Some say, here one. Me not like Donovan friendship for you, so it's either you go choose between Donovan or blood clan me.
Which
Because
is right.
why you and
Mm-hmm.
Donovan fear conversate and the message them fear delete.
Mm-hmm.
Leave the message them and can see what kind of chat. Since my phone open up, you can see every blood clot chat and Shaquille. That is
Mm-hmm.
why last night I deliberately, me and my cousin deliberately planned this. Get the blood clot number and text the youth and I tell him the something them say more suck him out and something come more and see how him react to it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So it's a reaction.
And him never do nothing more and him could have go and a vent to Donovan that him could have sent Donovan screenshot or whatever. So what kind of blood clot or send him one?
But true, on any day,
Shakil, you know me don't. You know me
yeah, for
from Germany
true.
don't.
He's not supposed to
And if me
talk to the
get blood
enemy. It's
clot
a
mad now,
man.
I'ma start lit bad mind, I'ma
For
start
true, you're
trap.
going bad.
I'ma start trap from left, right to center now. You go hear a strong at this and strong at blood clot that. But me not like
But for
don't do unto others
true,
like them do unto blood clot you. And that is why I'm tell Donovan anyone I see him, I'ma pull up in the party and pay my money go in. So I'm say Donovan, me I jump on him. So anyone a big pussy Donovan friend in the pan life and want to camp up against
so
me.
so them, from a ask you one question. The child still in your house or are the child gone?
Shaki, I'm tell you something. Him still there. I'm tell you something.
Okay.
You see the child?
Mm-hmm.
Do anything I do it for him, I do it from my heart. I'm do it
Then the most.
genuinely from my heart. You know I'm stay. But
Mm-hmm.
now do something, Shaki, when me a fear thing, say I wonder if it go work out or whatever. No.
Mm-hmm.
But do it because loving it at first, honesty was in it,
Mm-hmm.
a lot of commitment was in it.
Mm-hmm.
But when I say all of those are broken, I start to draw away from it, and it's like I become so numb where I don't want really have to deal with something called relationship anymore.
So now
So,
so basically there's no loyalty in that relationship. Loyalty just break down just like that.
no loyalty.
Oh wow. No Trinidad that try to forgive back your money. Me nah run a blood clot joke. That try to forgive back your money straw now. You hear me?
Yeah, me, your friend.
Yeah, but the trailer forget back your money is enough bad to bad. If I say be Nicky because you can't be so I can hold a girl now in front of man America for true. And you do something so general. And if I never like that would have shown you would have sent film bad to bad. If I never like him, you would have do all that. Him become America and respect your straw now.
So you're gonna tell
And you
me
not gonna
now,
black the boy,
oh
I'm
me
gonna
for
unblock
blood
the boy.
clot
That's not
now.
right.
Oh me for then on my house now. Oh me for
That's
then
a
on my
house
house now. You
enemy.
take up yourself. You
Mm-hmm.
want conversation, message or whatever.
I
You
had
go in, say
delete
you
message.
always have conversation, man. Always have the conversation with you.
Of
And you
course. Is the boy
always leg
wrong
it out,
too?
I'm always blood clot look over it. But when the mere fact say me do it back here for see oh you got blood clot rare and thing, also you get so agitated about it and you reach out to the big blood clot ugly Donovan.
But you know,
All blood
let me say
clot man.
something. Donovan is wrong, but I blame Stroner partner because him and Stroner have something him not forgot about Donovan and proceeded the house. That is him house personal business. Where gonna bring your business to blood clot that you like you and Donovan a blood clot fuck. Like she like Donovan. Me not like that Stroner honestly for true. Me not like that for you, me love, because that child is supposed to be loyal to you. Anybody else but not Donovan because you and Donovan usually flirt until Donovan I got send address to you. That not right. And Sonny, if you tell a child, if you tell a child that child left, for just respect and have loyalty and can be friends with the enemy. She cannot, you cannot, you him can destroy her and him be friends with the enemy. That's not right. Come never live with that neither too. You and him can have an argument and him gonna call the world. That is not right. It's a private business. She like the people must say she like Donovan, but at the end of the day, that not even she want. Make Donovan give her back the
Okay,
blood clot money. Forgive
let me
back
tell you,
Fambo. Fambo
Karen,
want back the
we no
money.
business who like who, but as I always lay my card, be your truth, live your truth, and be you.
Mm-hmm.
Like somebody, I can't force upon like you because it happens. Things happen where you're gonna meet somebody and you can have the best conversation over phone and all these things, and one time the things the person they put
True.
and things,
True.
but things can change.
Mm-hmm.
Simple
Yeah.
make people mind turn from people and change from people and things. But what may I say, do not be an hypocrite, do not be an host enemy and whatever.
Yeah, and I care about
Push
your
people.
business.
Because
Mm-hmm.
if you come to me, this is the type of person I am or whatever. I'm like
Mm-hmm.
say if I do something for somebody, I don't do it for have nothing over them. I don't do it for them own obligation and a loyalty. You
Mm-hmm.
know that and thing. But now I go take
Mm-hmm.
one loyalty from you. Because loyalty go
Yeah.
a long way. But me I say have a level of respect in it where you know
Stoney, you know what bothers me? You know what bothers me for true? Suppose you and him for have other distinct, other private things or even worse that you wanna have an argument or a fight. I say you can walk, you can call, you can tell Donovan every minute, and where I'm black, Donovan, just
hold on there, hold on there.
Stoney, you just.
Hold on there.
Mm-hmm.
Dan Kelly. Dan Kelly go suck your mother. But I love never in my blood clot game. What you say, I never pick that yet. Ask any one of my blood clot friend from Germany come right back. Boy, always the blood clot mind me. What you talk about by love?
True, bad to bad.
Come off of this.
Stoney, if you just look on it too, you Donovan wrong, and the look at child need to understand himself. I know, see, him can't run you and a betray. Because to me, that's a betray. Because me and I'm going to have argument. You
So,
can call your ex.
you see when time me stay so bomb and do that, me I
Mm-hmm.
say, I'm going to reach out to me and someone and tell me, say, you know what, very, from show him where it go. Because if you call the number and call the man, Shaki, the man don't even know if me a woman or I don't know a man. I'm a cousin,
Mm-hmm.
don't know who the person is
Mm-hmm.
and thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then him say him a go I'm auntie, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh me come to know about big pussy Donovan. Donovan will make a lick bad man out of you. Remember me tell you, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Shaquille, remember me tell you, you know, make a lick bad man that you go hear about, you go
To
see and
me,
about it. You
Donovan
know how me come to hear
want
about
mash up.
it? You know about Donovan?
Donovan want mash up your happy home.
You know how me come to know about Donovan? When me hear him say him
No, it's
go Boston auntie.
Donovan wrong and the child wrong. Donovan wrong, but I have been the child because that child should never carry out in business. At the end of the day, as far as I say, ask him back that child, the child go back and block Donovan and text the child. So the child been in that play fit columnist long blood clot time.
No, because
The both of them
in the
wrong.
start, I'm not blame Donovan, you know. I was saying because here one, me no know Donovan from Adams, me and Donovan no friend.
But
I
if
ask
your
him,
man want you taste it down, you know because that boy is not good
but
for you. Why go back and text about the boy? Why go text about the
based
boy? The child no
on
loyal, none
based on
tall.
based on whatever info or me come in a tanglings with Donovan now and thing, you know. And when time I hear him say I go Boston I'm auntie. So me I say, so I so come quick. Me I say, but I want auntie man know.
Yeah.
Auntie and me
Mm-hmm.
I say, I put one and two together and say Donovan live a Boston. So
Oh,
you draw me back everything to show you this scene
that
for
means
based
that
on the
you like that.
conversation. Based on the
So now that means
conversation,
that you like
some
Donovan.
put one and two together. So what
She want to
hear
make
him
a.
say, what hear
Mm-hmm.
him say, him going to ask Donovan which part the train, which part fit the train or whatever. Me I say, no man, no, this is not sound right. My thing there, I make my post.
So so now give me a minute. But so now if you see that child there and Donovan when a flood, that means them still have feelings to each other and them the America said easy for them meet. So now let me tell you something. You been through a lot in a life, or you come America for one different life. Do not sing and be no fool to no boy or no girl. Don't do it because this story, this a story. Strona is a mess. And naturally, want link up back with Donovan. Because if anything you know, I shall go to Donovan and the experts are feeling to that which you have been one artist low at them because Donovan intention is not blood clot really. You block the child and she go back and unblock the child. Then something's not right, Strona. You been through a lot in Germany, and don't America go fall for no boy and no girl. That child is not loyal. Because it could have been worse thing and she come out and I tell Donovan. At the end of the day, son, now, if she want go, if she want go to Donovan, make Donovan pay back your blood clot money. Then she feel she go where she want blood clot go. You can't, your money also, your man have a problem. You got call. You can't call because you got feel a way about that. And that to me, so like you's a house enemy. Well, Donovan, you all of a art, but Donovan, the hand you want all upon the lab. I have never ever tell O'Neal to leave Fambo.
I tell you something, Donovan been being not a fan of me from the day the youth are come here. And so because I know Donovan
Oh,
mine, and him color
oh,
to Jamaica, and him a come here, the mere fact say me send female, so him never happy for blood clot me, yeah? So
mm-hmm.
no Donovan intention from day one. He wasn't happy for me. So the mere fact you never happy for blood clot me or something then something I go on in my relationship. Who's the blood clot? You said I just say you want to tell people oh for take blood clot bus to come to Boston. You should have more be the one to say talk it over whatever or call me then. No, you don't call me. But you're there behind blood clot phone and a top and a post like you can bring me down. Pussy what anyone must say you just do your best cause remember me tell you say me go run up on you and me go lick you in your blood clot. And anyone of your friend them want to come up just know say me big and bad alone in this and me versus Uno.
Oh wow. Then so now, I don't know if you can talk about that not really right for you in your house and the things for a call Donovan. Cause they not really, if me start to that you do run me, I can't go trust you and I obviously your house enemy. So I think that's the way your partner go wrong. So, Max, so all you know about Donovan? Everything Donovan get for coming a year world now.
Look here. Every time I see a conversation with Donovan, it's always a short conversation. Because you know when some message, you message somebody, but you say something and message
Mm-hmm.
it, it's being.
Mm-hmm.
So when time by reading the conversation, I say, I block Donovan. I block him from his phone.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so you haven't really met. Okay, okay, okay. But then Strona, like, as Mr. Strona.
But, and then again, so
Mm-hmm.
why me even think they know something? Him turn to me and say, Donovan make a remarks to him and say, I should have him there with.
Oh,
So,
oh
by
wow.
hearing that thought there and someone, of course I'm going to be defensive.
That
Turn
means
it.
that Donovan a plot on a relationship long time. Donovan been a plot long time, but as me say, Strona, the look at Charlie give Donovan a lot of power. And she should have made Donovan know so she have her man and she have focus on her relationship, so it just doesn't make no sense. Them continue to do, but she never do that. She entertain Donovan.
So me I say if a boy won't come say oh them I should have him whatever and thing. Why the fuck conversate with them? Who is gonna be happy to know say yeah them in a relationship with somebody and somebody can say something like that and then you conversate with them.
Nobody me never got feel good. Me never got feel good. And that child is ungrateful for true. That look at child in a astronaut house is because a wolf a girl now sent for man, but somebody else come and do it now genuinely. So she should just respect Fambo. She's ungrateful for true.
99 blood clot time him unblock him. So what is the blood clot real reason? Since I am the one made the blood clot sacrifice then and it was not appreciative, and so Donovan never see blood clot fit to make a come America to buy a ticket because all
Yeah,
Donovan
that. Mm-hmm.
say him not send for a blood clot boy come America, but yet still you will buy a boy one plane ticket for go Dominican Republic for fuck out your big hole and suck him cocky. You will buy a ticket for go blood clot Brazil, but you would do what me do for buy a ticket to come America to know how hard life feel, to know how struggles feel. So all you want intervene in a relationship, all you want get blood clot counselor, all you want get advice, your advisor, your counselor.
That's That's why she should have respect you and know. Say if Donovan when really interested at one time, him not give her a ticket, him never give her a ticket, but you do it. Let me tell you, so soon you see them people here, when they're in a relationship, they're not really loyal for too long and people change out the blood clot with it. And to me that Charlie is ungrateful is just the truth and she not have no loyalty in her. Because if you tell us that this boy is no good, you can still have a talk back to the boy and Donovan got tell you so we train station and trying to attempt to keep down blood clot she I'm fair to box in her face, so just as so. But train station and Donovan yard, sure. She deserve 3 hard $8. Wap 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 wap.
Well, on. You understand? So, we're not ungrateful. You're ungrateful. You're ungrateful. You
Soon
are
I'm gonna do that
ungrateful.
on the live. Soon I'm gonna do that on the live. You
You're
know I gotta
ungrateful.
talk
Okay,
privately.
you know me get technical now, right?
Soon me a beg you do. Now do that on the live
You need
now.
blood
Now
clot.
get the
You're
wap
not
wap
on.
on the live. Now do me a beg you soon and get the wap wap on the live. Half of the live. Now do just me put the start it. Now do that on the live now. Just calm down for sure you can. But if you're not gonna tell you said don't talk to the boy, my girl, you're wrong, my girl. You're wrong, my girl. And not because Strona is my friend, but girl, you're wrong, girl. And yeah, go back and message or delete away after hide.
I just want my peace. I just want my peace. I'm gonna try to control my anger.
You control yourself. So nobody with that on the
I
live.
try control my anger.
Calm down.
But trust me, I can get technical and it can be blood up in this blood clot. I mean, I care.
Let me kick out this so
Yes. Me a
Fambo, let
burn
me
my
kick out
blood
so.
clot peace and me a control my anger. I don't like blood clot people go let them want to take my kindness to blood clot weakness. It can be
That's the
blood
truth.
clot bloodshed in this today. Right now, ding. Do not blood clot go like you don't want to take my kindness to blood clot weakness. It will be bloodshed, it will be brimstone and blood clot fire in a sun.
Yeah, boss mister, so just calm down and about with it if you can talk to because for true, so that you can't have a man with send fear right now, you're play ungrateful, you cannot do that. And she's not supposed to talk to Donovan, no conversation, and that's just facts. Just calm down and about nobody did you come. Me know you get out, you know. Me know you get out, but I'm going real bad, you know. Yeah, for true, earlier, 6 years, we know Fambo for 6 years, and King will get out. But for true, as Mr. Keen had been told, like, and if she had flirt with him or whatever happened in the past, and she unblocks and all my access, we didn't even access train station. She is ungrateful. She shouldn't do that, of course. If the man I go block your phone and tell you say Donovan is not good, and you go back and say about Anata and Donovan I go say about oh I should have him there with. That means that Donovan been a plot for your relationship long blood clot time. And you don't know if I'm not arguing, running on the out and she call nobody, especially anybody else but not Donovan. Because
Donovan,
Donovan, as far as I see, been envy long time. Because Donovan want the child. Donovan been want the child long time and she know if you had text Donovan either to send him keen. Just if you don't know if you not can talk about it later and tell us so she know for other because them ways ungrateful ways and no loyalty in her. And some me get it. Because if Donovan really want her for true, him not been sending her fear that you come and do it, you never have to do it.
we never run a competition either. We no boy send for nobody.
Mm-hmm.
Look here, me I tell you, when you don't call, brother, you would even understand. A lot of things me I go through, a lot of things. Sometimes I go party. Even if I keep my party December, I not go out to a party and thing. And people might feel like so, oh, Strona now come at a party, come support, whatever, but and thing, but I base I know me I go through. Because as I say, I don't like share certain things with people because people like to use your story to use against you, even though you know Shaki am fearless to what people say when it comes on.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But what me I say is that have some respect now. If you not no lot of
Exactly.
respect.
Which is right for true because as I say, your sinner, you're black, and this is where it looks strange to me, Keen. You block the number and you go back and back on a text and message delete. What is you deleting? Where you delete? Where you hide?
Oh my God.
Suddenly, you have right, you have already forget upset, you have already for talk about it because I who feels it knows it. And so now, me never got in a relationship to with no man, we not show no loyalty to no. And so now, if you got in something, I actually say there's no loyalty to no, it's best if you move on, kind of bother waste of time right there. So, you know, make that sense to go that strong, and know say show you the things man and the child not behave him say just move on, just simple like that. Because so now where you don't do enough people to road now do it. Cause you hear people talk to them now send for one man, but you still try.
Okay, I'm telling you something, Shaki. See with him, he's not a gold digger.
Mm-hmm.
He's very. I'm gonna tell you.
Mm-hmm.
As somebody is a go getter, I'm gonna say that.
Mm-hmm.
Another person that you know
You really war around it. Mm-hmm.
is somebody where me basically say, when I say alright then, we can work together, we can build
Mm-hmm.
something, you know,
Mm-hmm.
build it for no clout, build it
Mm-hmm.
because you know we genuinely know say we can achieve something together for both of
Mm-hmm.
family and them thing there.
Mm-hmm.
But if your mindset is not on the same part to me or even close to it,
Mm-hmm.
but people you can intervene people like low life Donovan, we go like him a counselor and
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna go down the road on a negative part all the time.
Mm-hmm. But Shona, did you ever sit, of course, but me gonna ask, did you ever sit to her and reason and talk to her and say, no, this is not right, this is what you're doing, and see, or if the person try, or if you try to make it better, I should just not care, none tal, period.
Sit with a reason,
Mm-hmm.
you know, we try to build a band and things.
Mm-hmm.
It's like everything become going back to square one again.
Oh, okay. So you just have a conversation then right back to square one tomorrow morning.
And I was basically me, I was just surprised to know the fact say must stay a band, do something. Even my cousin in a disbelief.
Mm-hmm.
You never reach out to me, but you reach out to one friend, which you know that's a close friend. We can
Mm-hmm.
you reach out to Donovan. That's you go tell lie. You tell me lie say you got your auntie a Boston, knowing that you don't have no
You
auntie
got
a
Donovan yard.
Donovan
That means that you like,
and Donovan I give direction and tell her how to go reach a Boston. Like come on, there's only little one person can bear.
oh, okay. So straight back, so for the box of question, bag done pack already for go Boston already?
Backpack, suitcase pack, to go to Boston.
No.
Like, fine, you want to go to Boston? I have no problem with you going to Boston. But as my mom always said, you can always go through that door, but go through in one piece, but don't make the door turn back and lick you. She always said, I wish bad for nobody and thing. Trust me. And me wouldn't feel no way in myself because you make your choice.
So child big long pack already for go Donovan will never give her a ticket for coming to America?
I say when I stay a bomb and call the auntie with me, first and foremost, I'm not even call her, I'm send her a text. And the text message
Mm-hmm.
like this. I don't like ungrateful people because not God not sleep. And if you know I'm having a relationship problem, how dare you um take your nephew out of
Mm-hmm.
home to encourage him to go at the next auntie home. That
Mm-hmm.
was I say God not like ugly.
Mm-hmm.
Respond and say what? You see by she responding and say what?
The woman know nothing what
She was
one.
clueless to her go on.
Mm-hmm.
And an apology to her. So I'm saying that if you're gonna build, if you're gonna build a fence to tear me down, please remember the goodness where people to feel. Because it was me, everything I do it genuinely, I do it from heart, we never
Oh God.
agreements, well, not pain or whatever thing, I do it genuinely from heart. Remember the goodness with people do for you and have even sympathy and action. Because trust me, if I never murder from a dead, if I never murder from a dead, I'm a there Germany and a boy cleared me and think it's gonna be a different thing. I mean,
True. That's true. That is true.
when me I tell us a different thing, different thing.
Fambo.
Ambulance have to come on my yard, and the police have to come on my yard, and the police can come on my yard and me no chat, come here to them, so them mother slam my door, bam, 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 bam. My youth will get more serious than that. First and foremost, nobody not interfere because nobody, them know say, me as a youth, I'm not trouble people. All my interference with people, me and people altercation, it's always some bad mind in the people when they're on my level. I'm always tell people say anything a man do me, anything a man do me, I'm a can't hold them a foreign, I will pay for kill them family at Jamaica. The same pain when me feel, that is how deep I think. But pay for kill one of them closest family to them so them can feel the hurt, the anger what me I feel because